Hi, it's Chris again from C&H Auto Accessories, coming from SEMA in Las Vegas. Now, I'm going through a lot of products here, and I want to show you another one that I like a lot. Now, this is a rolling cover, and there's some nice features in the bed. We're going to go over it, but this rolling cover is called the Mountaintop. Now, we've already done a video where you saw us walking on top of this, and had, I think it was Dave standing on it, and as you can see, it held a lot of weight. This one is showing you with the racks. It does have a nice little T-slot here. It is a metal cover. It's a good looking cover. I like it a lot. I love, for me, as you know, I love it when they have the racks on it. You can put your safari basket on here. You can put kayaks. You can put all kinds of stuff on your bikes and stuff. Now let's go ahead and take a look what's inside here. Now, Ranch also makes the Loadmaster. What is the Loadmaster? Well, let's go ahead and open this all up here. This is the Loadmaster. This makes it so easy to get in and out of your stuff. If you put, let's say I'm going camping, which, as you know, I'm the president of the South Florida Outdoor Adventure Club, and I love going camping. And it's great. You put all your camping gear in here. Of course, if you're using this for work, you could put all your work stuff here. It just makes it 10 times easier to access all your stuff. It's just wonderful that way. Now, of course, if you need to, let's go ahead and open this all the way up. Now, I want you to take another look, and we're going back to the cover here. Look how small that canister is. It doesn't take up any space, and this also has a bed rug in here. Now, this is the bed rug with the TPO and the material in the middle, and the bed rug on the side, which I find to be one of the better looking setups, and it's very durable. Now, what's interesting about this, if you notice, this is bolted in the back here, and it's using the spots where they use the tie down. So pretty easy assembly. It also makes it a lot easier if you need to take it out. So for whatever reason you need to take it out for something, not a big problem, easier to do. All in all, this is a great look. I think I really like this. I think, again, if you're using it for camping, using it for work, whatever you need it for, this is a great setup. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the Mountaintop and the Loadmaster coming from SEMA in Las Vegas. Thanks.